Drivin Ivan here with an AMC Eagle four-wheel drive. Wowzers. I mean, you don't see these every day. A Woody. So cool. Look at that. Plush interior. Probably a 3-speed, maybe 4-speed, automatic. Wow. American Motors Corporation. A true station wagon. All-wheel drive before it was really en vogue. You know, this is just a great piece of history. And of course, if you were around then, you remember them. And they were cool. They were always cool, but obviously they never really caught on. They were a little bit ahead of their time in ways, and probably not quite as reliable as they could have been, or maybe should have been in many ways. And that's why they're not around anymore. But all-wheel drive wagon, think Audi, you know. I've got a Lancia Delta Integrale, the rally car. All these Subarus today, well, you know, think about how common they were. They are now, but they were not common back then. Got a Richard Petty sticker on this one. That is so cool. Man, what a great car. You never know what you're going to find on my channel, so smash that like button and click subscribe. Always trying to show you really interesting cars that nobody else is thinking about or talking about. Like this one, look at that one. I have a video on that one. I'm not sure if I posted it yet because I've seen that car before. Very cool. An old kind of Bronco. But there you go. Just search Drivin Ivan in any car. Check out my literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game. Free or my music video has some of my car collection. Want to know what I drive? Click on what does Drivin Ivan drive. And the music video is the most updated of those videos. Listen to my podcast, What Makes a Car Special, and Car Capers. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.